Hello lovers, welcome to my channel. On my channel, I'll keep you daily updated about Kaizer Chiefs. Jessica gives update on Kaizer Chiefs transfer. The team is still busy with that. Still have another week to go, she told the journalist. Uncertainly, there is a lot of work being done. I am aware of players who are currently signing, so once that is all sorted out, if they are already if they are ready to travel to the Netherlands, they will come. Obviously, there will be delays with paperwork and visas. Those are some of the things we may have to deal with. But we are essentially trying to bring the players who can come to the Netherlands and make sure that they are together. Essentially, even after that, we will be having a lot of tight sessions to make sure people having been part of the tour. They will be part of the additional preparation leading up to the Toyota Club and after that. More football news. Kindly subscribe to my channel.